Hello everybody, a warm welcome to all of you on my channel. So the next upcoming festival is Holi, which is the spring festival of India, also known as the festival of colors. So on this festival, why not we get into the spirit and make our food also colorful? So let's make swirl matris. I'm going to use the purees of carrot, beetroot and spinach to make these matris. And earlier also last year I had posted an interesting dish, colorful moti pulao. Do check it out also, and it's so much fun on this festival of colors. We even make the menu colorful. All your friends and family will enjoy the meal. We'll be in the holy spirit. So friends, happy Holi in advance and have a safe Holi. Play with safe organic colors. Do not use those other colors which are harmful for the skin. So let's get started and make swirl matris. For the swirl matris, we require beetroot, carrots, these are boiled, and blanched spinach. For the three colors, we'll be using these. Half teaspoon of crushed ajwain or carom seeds. You can use whole also if you wish. And some salt to taste. Then we have all-purpose flour or Maida and whole wheat flour. We'll mix both of them together. Take as needed. Then oil to fry, and little bit we'll be using for the moin while kneading. Recipe link and ingredients list can be seen in the description box also. First, in a larger bowl, we'll mix everything together. The two flours, crushed ajwain or carom seeds, salt. Mix them very well. I have taken 1.5 cups of each flour, all-purpose flour and whole wheat flour. Add about 1/4 cup of oil for moin. Yes, matris require lot of oil. If the moin is not sufficient, the matris will not be crispy. Now using your hand and fingers, mix it very well until it resembles crumbs. Check it out by making a lump in the fist whether the oil is sufficient or not. This is the tip. Now this is done. We are going to knead it. We'll divide the flour and knead using these purees. We'll divide it into 4 because we need a white part also. One white, one for beetroot, one for carrot, one for spinach. Take out the first portion, and this we are going to just knead with plain water. Taste little bit of flour to check the salt, because if the salt is not okay, the matris will not taste good. It's so much fun making these festive dishes on each festival. Especially Holi, because it's the festival of colors, we can make lots of colorful dishes. So the first one is done. Now the second portion. We'll knead with the palak. Look at the nice green color. I have not used any artificial colors. While blanching the spinach, you add a pinch of baking soda or baking powder, which gives a green color. It retains the color of the greens. Now this is also done. Keep it aside. Now take the third one. This we'll knead with the carrot puree. The carrot puree is not as orangish as it should be, but it's fine. If you wish to give a bright color, you can add some kesari food color to it. But when you rest the dough, the color brightens after a while. Now the next one for the beetroot. Beetroot color is the brightest, which dominates in this snack. Now this is done. Here we go. Let's start rolling them now. Take a little portion from each, about the puri size, lemon sized ball, and roll it out into a roti or a flatbread. Do the same with all the colors. Make sure they are all of the same size. Now place them one on top of each other. You can see all the rotis are of the same size. We are again going to roll them a little more. Seal the edges a bit so that they stick together. Now roll it out into a larger roti. Okay, it's done. Now we are going to roll this, dust off the excess flour and then roll it. Pinch on the edges so that they get stuck to each other. Cut off the tip portion. And now this one, you're going to make thin slices out of this. Look at this, so pretty. Now we are going to roll these out into a small disc like this. Cute, isn't it? The colorful matris. Roll out all of them. They are now ready to be fried. Using a fork, you can prick them so that they don't puff up. It's done now. With the same flour, same way, you can also make puris. Roll out a larger portion for this. You can either fry them or you can make them like parathas on the tawa. So I have just rolled out 2 puris. Now let's begin frying. Heat oil in a pan. Once it is hot, reduce the flame and dip in the matris. Take a wider pan so that you can do plenty of them at the same time. Because matris take a while, you need patience. You have to make them nice and crisp. You have to keep adjusting the flame between medium and low. Intermittently keep turning them, flipping them so that they get fried evenly. While these are getting fried, you can roll out the second batch. It takes between 5 to 7 minutes at least, because if you fry on high flame they'll not be crispy. When they are done, remove them on the absorbent paper. Nice and crispy swirl matris. Now repeat the same with the second batch. Fry them in the same way, adjusting the flame, flipping them. Now here goes the puri. Look at it, so pretty, nice and puffed up. Looks quite pretty. It's fun to make colorful menu for the festival of colors. Here we go. Puri is ready. Matris are also done. Cool the matris and then put them in a airtight container. So friends, make and enjoy these colorful swirl matris as a snack for the Holi menu. I'm sure your family and friends are going to like them a lot. Do check out the other Holi recipes also, especially the colorful moti pulao. It's very nice and interesting. Happy Holi to all of you in advance. Play a safe Holi. Use organic colors. Do not use the other colors as they are very harmful for the skin. So happy Holi. Enjoy your goodies and stay tuned for the next recipe. Take care. If you are a new visitor to the channel, do subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notifications about the new uploads. Here are some videos from the archives. Do check them out. We'll soon be back with another new recipe. Bye. Until then, have a nice day.